So there, guys, is my scorpion pepper tree over there, up and coming. Look good, you see. And I just pick this pepper off it. This is my first scorpion pepper. I wonder if anybody out there is willing to try it. Yes, if you want to be the first one to bite into this pepper, let me know. See, my serrano pepper is coming up there nicely as well. There's a nice big serrano pepper there. 2 or 3 nice pepper underneath there. The birds have eaten all my blueberry, but me not complain. Me thank God. Tomatoes are starting to come on over here on this, in this little patch. Tomatoes are coming in, and my grapes are graping. Yeah, so feeling good. My garden is doing good, guys. How is your garden growing? Hey, them eat off all of my strawberry, but me not complain. Yeah, man. How is your garden growing? Silver bells and all these things.